Hi loves, I'm back from my college grade. Now I'll be more active here. Let's kill boredom with some glam. And those who are getting married must watch this Haldi Mehandi makeup.
Even if you have chipped nails, bad acne situation, and your eyebrows are running away from each other, you can fix everything. So let's see how. Starting with my go-to moisturizer, Cetaphil, everybody knows about. Apply it to your face, to your neck, all over your ears, and let it sit. Moving on, this K Beauty foundation is dewy and has a low coverage, like low to medium coverage. And I believe this is the first foundation I have used that matches my skin tone so well. If you have textured or dry skin, apply the foundation in a dotted pattern for an even application. It's a difficult time for all of us, try to avoid events, but if you do attend one, keep your makeup smooth because touching up later can expose you to germs. Blend your foundation gracefully with a damp sponge. I actually blend my foundation first and then put the lens. Well, that's my way, but the right way is to put the lens first and then start your makeup. I have been using this brow kit since I started this channel, and this is something I can rely on. I'm going to brush my brow with little gel. You don't need to worry about your brow shape because we will fix it with concealer in the next step. I am carving out eyebrows in the shape of brows. Concealer is a godsend whether you choose to highlight, cover or fix your makeup. Simply apply concealer and seal the deal with some powder. There is so much going on. I'm practically looking like a walking zombie, and so I'm gonna hide all my scars, pigmentation or the big pimples with some concealer and the dark circles and everything. So far so good. Now it's time to blend. Don't rub for the sake of salvation, just tap with a sponge. There are people who just rub it with sponge, they don't know how to blend it. Never rub or never drag your skin with the sponge. It will just age you, it will make you look very older very soon. So just tap it like I am doing in the right places. If you wish to give yourself a facelift with concealer, then apply the concealer where I applied the concealer on my face and tap it. Use the techniques that I am using to blend, like under the eyes, the way I am blending it upwards, and under the brows, the way I am blending it. Try these techniques. Here I am desperately trying to cover this pimple, but I guess we just want to stay. So yeah. I have dry textured skin and I am planning to do a daytime makeup, so I'm sealing the concealer with this compact. Since compact powders are lighter than the loose powders, so I intend to use it all over my face and my neck and my ears. I'm using a brush rather than a sponge because I just want to set the stuff rather than powder my face. Summers and mask will ruin your big day, trust me, if you use heavy base. So it's good when makeup is all smooth. You can make the corrections if needed, and if you want to replicate this look, check the description box, everything is covered there. Moving on to contouring, I am obsessed with contouring lately, even though I'm still not able to do the TikTok way, but hey, it's still good. Still good. Still pretty good, especially around the jawline. I cannot and I won't do dieting in pandemic, and this double chin has to go, so just contour. After the nose contouring, I make sure that I apply a little bit of compact powder on nose so it lightens the darker color and gives a very natural shadowy nose. In this scenario, your eyes are very important. Starting off with the shade Tease from Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going for some monochromatic kind of look, so yeah, focus. Right now I'm contouring my eyelid, and now I'm going to add some red glitter. Sometimes it's very difficult to add glitter with your hand, so use a brush like I'm using, and this is the color Excite, and I'm going to pair it with my contouring brown powder. The eyeshadow palette I'm using, it's really good. My eyeshadows are not falling out. And if you are planning to do such a makeup, heavy makeup with glitters and stuff, make sure that you do your eye makeup first and then you do your whole face. Or if you're planning to do your eye makeup afterwards, like right now I'm doing after kind of all my makeup, then make sure that it's not falling off, or maybe apply some powder, take some loose powder under your eyes, because it's really tough to get rid of it sometimes. I'm done with my eyeliner and I'm contouring using that contouring color under my eyes. I'm not going for dark brown, but I'm going for light brown, and some mascara. and then the false lashes, which is my favorite lashes. This is the pack lashes and I love it. These lashes look like real lashes, and some people go for plastic lashes. Like literally I have seen people wearing plastic lashes and it looks so bad when they look down and the light reflects on their lashes. It's really bad, so make sure that you avoid that. Okay, so I was hoping that this lipstick would be more darker, but it's kind of lightish brown, which I don't want in my makeup, so we're gonna fix that. And about these lipsticks, there is one thing that they are kind of cream based. If you apply this and then put a mask on, then your makeup is all gone. Like your lipstick will be all over your face. So I am tapping some contouring powder on my lips. It will seal the glossiness or the the stickiness of the lipstick, and I'll get my brown lips. And now we have a monochromatic kind of base. You see lips, eyes and contouring. I'll be using this brush for my blush. I know some people will go mad, they will die that why I'm using this brush. There are specific brush for specific things, but you can use any brush for anything. That is kind of a hack. And yeah, as long as it's giving you the good result, you can use literally any brush. So I'm gonna use this for my blush, and this blush is really good. I recorded 2 more videos after I recorded this video, and I think I really love this highlighter. In all the makeups I did use this highlighter, so it's kind of something close to my heart. And yeah, this is the wrong brush. I should have used the actual highlighter brush, but whatever, this is the highlighter I'm gonna use. And you see it's giving you that sheer golden hour glowy effect. It's a must buy if you're planning to buy one. It's the best highlighter in the market. It's very important that you blend your highlighter as well. It should not look like a straight glittery line on your face. So make sure that you blend it, that you brush it in the same direction once or twice, maybe. After when you feel like okay, it's done, just brush it off once more. It will give you a good effect. Now I'm using the small brush, and I think this is the appropriate brush for the highlighters. I'm gonna cover all the areas where I want more attention, more light. So I'm gonna enlighten those areas, especially the area under your brows. It's very important that you put some glitter there, get some attention there, so your brows will look like the lifted ones. So to blend the highlighter, I'm going to use my sponge. The tip of the sponge to be very specific. I'm going to use it on the highlighter, so it will blend it carefully and give me that glowy natural effect, because it is basically a day makeup. So you want your things to be more smooth, more perfect. So yeah, blend everything, blend all the things that you can, and be gentle with your makeup. Do not spoil your makeup blend karte. If you are planning to use the sponge technique, then make sure that you're using a dry sponge. Apparently it's a new trend of floral jewelries that brides prefer in their haldi or mehendi function, so I'm gonna wear it. And one more important thing is that this kind of jewelry is actually signature jewelry. And try to wear something stylish or a bit plain, and do not wear something very heavy or blingy or very way too printed maybe, because you want people's attention on your jewelry and on your makeup and not just on your dress. Fixing spray is most important. I forgot using it before and I wore the jewelry but mine gives the dew effect, so yeah, go for it, go for any fixing spray. So I'm done with my makeup and my jewelry. I hope it helped you in any way, and if you ever consider doing this kind of look for any functions, then do let me know, or maybe just tag me, find Drish. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope to see you in the next video, which will be coming very soon. And do like, comment, subscribe probably, and yeah, have the close-up of this makeup as well. This makeup is the best makeup ever. Like, look at my skin.